We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
So, I guess it's been a little while. Roughly 4 months since my last upload, and you might be wondering,
what you been?
It's a great question, and one that I'm ready to answer. The time came for me to leave Denver. Denver had changed so much over the last few years that I didn't recognize her as the city that I grew up loving. So I began looking for another city that I could call home. I had a list of requirements ranging from an international airport, great snowboarding in 4 seasons, to having an In-N-Out burger and over 100 days of sunshine. The longer and more specific my list got, the more one city began to stand out. I knew that city was going to be the next place I called home, and the house hunting began.
Second day of house hunting in Utah. It's raining, kind of gross, like these dogs. Third stop of today, and it is...
I found a place, and thanks to a really great real estate agent, I was able to close and move in pretty quickly.
Sat here for like the last 5 minutes, I have documents. It is official. I'm a homeowner.
So I packed up all my stuff in Colorado. Driving out of Denver through the beautiful Rocky Mountains and finally ending up here. Moving in wasn't the end of it. I needed to make this space feel like my home. The person who owned it previously was really into prints, I guess, because all the walls were purple. That had to go. That could not. Nah. So my family came out and helped me transform this place into a KHAITOPIA. It is amazing to come home to this place. It's still a work in progress, but enough gushing about this place. This video was also a chance for me to announce that I'm back and that I've missed making videos like crazy, and to thank you. Thank you for watching, for liking, for subscribing, for giving me a reason to come back to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for being you. Stay tuned for more content. I'll catch you around the way. Ooh, and if you're watching this and thinking, wow, you never said the name of the city. Yeah, that was on purpose. Don't want anybody moving here because it sucks here and it's dangerous. There's a lot of crime. There's rodents with rabies and an active volcano. So just don't come here.